How to fix Nvidia custom resolution grayed out. So to fix Nvidia custom resolution grayed out issue, first thing you can do is to go ahead and update your Nvidia drive. So on your PC or laptop, go ahead and open the device manager. So click on Win X on your keyboard, and then from here select the device manager. And then once you're on the device manager, go ahead and look for the display adapters. So under that, you'll be able to find NVIDIA GeForce. Right click on it and click on this update driver button. So outdated or corrupted drivers often cause the custom resolution option to be unavailable. Second thing you can do is to use display adapter properties. So in your window setting, so to open the window setting, click on Win I on your keyboard. So in here, head over into the system tab, and then from here, head over to display, and then look for the advanced display setting in here, and then in here go ahead and click on display adapter property. So under the adapter tab, click on list all modes and select your desired resolution. The third thing you can do is to check your monitor limitation. So some monitors don't support custom resolutions beyond their native specs. If your monitor does not support it, the option will remain grayed out. And that is how you can basically fix NVIDIA custom resolution grayed out.